Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to set up the recurring payment in Stripe. So first you have to go to the Stripe official website where you have to log into your account, or you can create your account using your Google account. Then it will lead you to the dashboard, and where you can find the setup process like welcome to Stripe. If you have set up this, then you can skip this section here, or if you haven't set up this section yet, then you can go with this process here. So first you have to enter your business name, then the business website. So I'm going to add my business name like yes. Now simply click on continue, or you can also add your business website if you have one. This is actually optional step. You can skip it. Now simply click on continue, or you can skip it for now. Now how do you want to start? So you can add other features later if you need them, like one-off payment, like accept payments for products and services using a checkout page of our invoices. Then recurring payments. Here is the recurring payments that we are going to set up. So here we are going to go with this two options here. Like now simply click on continue. Now recurring, sorry for that, I'm going to explain it. So recurring payments is actually offer subscriptions and bill customers for ongoing uses and services. Now simply click on continue. Now here you can see how do you want to start. There's different types of options here. So how you can once you start, you can select it. Now simply go to dashboard. So I have just added this one-off payment and this recurring payment. So from here you can find the dashboard where you can add all the things here. So setup guide. So choose a pricing model. You can choose a pricing model of it. So like how do you want to bill your customers, like flat rate, like an online leading platform charges their customers a fixed membership fee of $50 per month, or users based a cloud storage service charges $1 per terabyte every month. If a customer uses 10 terabytes, they pay $10. Then the seed based actually. So I'm going this and simply click on continue, and then choose how to expect. Here it is. So choose how to accept recurring payments. So here is something that you can add your managed revenue and automate workflows and accept payments here, or you can simply click on choose how to set up your recurring payments. So here you can see that how do you want to accept recurring payments. So you can simply select the shareable payment links or pre-built shareable payment. Let me explain about this. Like use payment links to share a payment page with your customers over email, SMS, and social media. So you can actually share your payment page or payment link as an invoice with your customers, or pre-built checkout form. So use a checkout to embed a payment form on your site, or redirect to a Stripe hosted page. So you can add this Stripe checkout form that you can embed on your web page or on your source where you are selling. So it will provide you a code. Then embedded components. So use elements to build secure payments experience that perfectly match your business. So you can go with that. So you can select one of them actually according to your needs. So you can simply go with that. The first one, the shareable payment link. So it will give you some link, like simply click on continue. Then here create a recurring product. So you can add a recurring product here. So you can add anything. So I'm going to add like airsoft gun. Now you can add a description here. Now from here you can add up image by simply click on upload button here. So you can add up your product image. So I'm going to add it like this. And recurring, here is recurring. So you can add amounts that you record. So like for example $10. So here it is. Now billing period. So here is the billing period. So you can make it daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, every 3 months, or every 6 months, or you can add it to custom. So every 2 months or every 3 months if you want. So you can go with this monthly. Then more pricing option. Also you can get more pricing option here. So billing period, or also actually you can add a daily here. Now the price description, you can add some instruction. Now simply click on next, and you can add another price if you want. So now you can add a product, simply click on add product. So make sure that you have added your exact product. So here you can see I have just created our recurring product. Now here we are going to create a recurring payment link. So simply click on create test payment link here. So it will give you a test payment link that if it's working or not. So here is a product, so you have to select the product here. Then you can add another product here. Then you can collect tax automatically. You can set up this automatic tax app for your Stripe payment. Here it is. So in dashboard where we have to add that, here is a text overview. So like this, we have added this setup. Whoa. And from here we have to, you can add this. So I'm going to skip this right now. I don't want to make this video mixed up. So here is a collect customer's address. You can collect your customer's address. You can simply click on it, and billing address only, or billing and shipping address also. So from here you can select where to ship your product. You can select all of them. Like if you want to allow this area where you can ship actually shipment for Asia, like Europe or North America, Central America. So I have just added everything actually from here. Now so if I select this Central America here, now simply click on save button here. So it will save that actually shipment location. Now require customers to provide a phone number. So if you want to get their phone numbers, then you can simply add that. Now it will actually add that phone number section where it will require a phone number. There it is. Now limit the number of payment. So you can also edit the country. You can make it worldwide. So I have just added it like South America here also. Select all country, you can simply click on it. Now click on save button here. So it will allow you to give all the country, like here is the state where they can find all of the country. Now include a free trial. So you can add a free trial if there is a free trial available with your product. Then limit the number of payments here. So you can limit the number of payments here. Now here is some advanced option that add custom fields. So if you want to add some custom fields like text, like if you want to add like anything, or drop down, that you can ask for the age here. Now add option. So age, like you can add 6 plus 10 plus, oh shit, not this. You can simply edit that option here. So 10 plus, then you can add another option here like 12 plus, or you can add it like, I'm going to add it to 15 plus, and you can add it to 18 plus also. So you can simply click on save. Now just like this, you can add the custom fields from here if you want. So now you can easily create a link of your this payment process window. So you can simply click on create link. Now here we can see I have just created a link here. So and that's how we can simply get a buy button. So it will give me some code that we can actually embed in our backend or the code source. We have to paste it in our code source in exact location. Also we can get the URL parameters here, so we can copy that URL. So we can embed it anywhere with this URL that accept it. Now everyone that go with this payment process as the Stripe, so they will get this type of window where they have to enter their details, their card number, their details, the account number about their Stripe account. So here then you can just they can just complete their payment here. So that's how you can easily set up the recurring payment on Stripe. So that's all for today's video. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.